guys, it's Emily from the Minimalist Mama, and we are tackling week 3 of our spring cleaning, and we're going to pick up where we left off with the kitchen. You could join the giveaway by downloading your spring cleaning checklist and entering in the comments down below. So in my last video we organized the pantry and cleaned the grout. Today we are going to be cleaning up and organizing the fridge and the freezer, and we're even going to be getting to a task that I've never done before, which is cleaning the dishwasher filter. So this is the current situation of my fridge and the freezer. Last year when I did my spring cleaning challenge, I didn't really get around to cleaning the freezer, so we are definitely doing that this time. Step 1, as always, is to take everything out. I found a few things hiding in the back that needed to be thrown away, but this is a great time to check expiration dates, especially of things that maybe you don't use all that often, like your condiments, etc. And then all of those little sauce packets that you've been hanging on to, throw those all away because you're never going to use those. So go ahead and remove all of the shelves and drawers and things that you can possibly get out. It's really lovely. And wash them in some hot soapy water. While all the shelves and drawers are drying, you can clean out the inside of your fridge, wipe out any spills and sticky messes that are on the inside, and clean any pieces that you weren't able to remove. Ta-da! It's all beautiful and shiny.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past.
I bought a set of fridge organizers from Amazon, so I decided to play around with the shelf placement and see what would work the best for using those organizers, and also just what functions best for us.
Need to find. Say you'll go. Don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate.
The jury is still out for me on this egg holder thing. The whole idea of decanting your eggs seems like a little bit overkill, but then again, I do understand the benefit of being able to see exactly how many eggs you have left. However, this particular organizer has a spot for 14 eggs, which seems like a really weird number.
Is the sky like the color of your eyes? Blue.
And now for the freezer.
It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light.
All shiny.
Through the fight, let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find
utensils add the finishing touch.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk.
Very nice.
Like, say you'll go. Don't make me wait.
When the lights go out,
Papa, show me there. Well, I
you're
couldn't
in
do
my
it.
mind.
That's probably fun.
I close my eyes, so it's just you and I tell myself you'll be back again. When the stars are aligned, we will dance in the meadow on our favorite place. When spring is coming, where
How's that?
Good, thanks.
Get the video good?
I hope you're fine,
That almost got one
but
on.
I won't lie, I still miss
I got that
you so
back back
much.
here. Oh, here. They have a video
But I
on.
don't
That's
hold
good.
grudge.
It's on a video.
I will save you a space for a dance.
Here we go.
Attacking Gunga. Now Emily will attack Gunga. It's not possible.
No, you can't be defeated already.
Well, you are. The mama is defeated. Gunga.
It turns out that on modern dishwashers, cleaning the filter is not super easy. It took me a couple rewatches of a tutorial to figure how to take it apart. I found out where the clips are. After finally figuring out how to remove the racks, the next challenge was removing the sprayer because, yes, you have to remove that in order to remove the filter. Victory!
Did it?
Did it! Victory is mine! I also might have bent the dishwasher door by sitting on it. I couldn't reach in there without doing that.
You bent the dishwasher?
I think so.
Oh dear.
It's not lovely.
I'll get it out of the company before we flood the house.
Okay, that comes off. Oh, yeah. That's lovely. So, just a PSA, clean your dishwasher filter. You never know what could be hiding in there. The door jambs of our dishwasher get all kinds of gross gunk in there too, so I worked on that with some vinegar.
And as the light
Reassembling the dishwasher wasn't too hard, although there was one clip at the very top that I kept trying to put in upside down, and so I was getting very frustrated, but I finally figured it out. After all that, I'm going to run a rinse cycle and call it good. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning video. If you want to join the giveaway, download your spring cleaning checklist and read the description down below for more instructions, and we'll see you here next week.